Meet the Market Killer Pro Probability Bot, the ultimate tool for precision trading. Setting up the bot configuration is simple and intuitive, allowing traders to leverage advanced statistical models without complexity. This engine combines pattern probability scoring, market dominance filtering, and smart signal timing windows to identify high probability trades. With the ability to trade over 3 and under 6, it offers a clear edge in volatile markets. Every signal is fine-tuned for accuracy, giving traders confidence in every entry and exit, while minimizing unnecessary exposure and risk. The Market Killer Pro stands out with features built for serious performance. Its advanced probability scoring identifies the most likely winning trades, while dominance gap filtering ensures signals align with market momentum. Tick momentum analysis provides real-time insights, and anti-whipsaw protection keeps you safe during unpredictable swings. Smart signal timing windows optimize entry points, making sure each trade has maximum potential. Whether you're scaling profits or protecting capital, this bot combines intelligence and speed to consistently deliver precise, actionable trading opportunities. Recent performance illustrates its power. The bot traded 5 times, winning 4 trades on 3 separate occasions, earning $1.78 per trade. On the 4th trade, it faced a $3 loss but quickly recovered with a $3.57 gain on the next trade. By following its disciplined strategy, it reached the take-profit goal of $5, resulting in a total profit of $5.91 according to